Even if you don't have a smart TV, you can still watch YouTube TV using external devices or casting methods. Here's how to set it up quickly. Step 1. Use a streaming device. The easiest option is to connect a streaming device. Popular choices include Roku, Fire Stick, Chromecast with Google TV, Apple TV, and Android TV boxes. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port, power it on, and connect it to your home Wi-Fi. Step 2. Install the YouTube TV app. Open the App Store on the streaming device and search for YouTube TV. Install the app and open it. You'll see an activation code on your TV screen. On your phone, tablet, or computer, visit the activation website and enter the code. Log in using the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. The app will now be fully usable on your non-smart TV. Step 3. Cast from your phone or computer. Another easy method is casting. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone or the website on your computer. Tap the cast icon and select your TV. Your TV must have a Chromecast device or another casting-compatible device connected to it. Once connected, you can watch live channels, DVR recordings, and on-demand content just like on any smart TV. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.